to it. Go look this way. Are you recording it? Did you record me doing that? Okay. So, we climb all that and it's really hard. Look at the trail. And now we're gonna get up there. Can you see that?
We're closer.
We're closer.
Obviously.
And Marco isn't letting us stop. Big little butt.
Michael, stop waving like a nerd. 10:03.
So after I twisted my ankle,
No.
my foot hurt, my ankle hurts every time I step on a rock so wrong like this. Like this. Or like this. It hurts really bad.
We know, you say hi. Wingapo. Oh, bird. Okay. We're still alive. Second hour.
I know, second hour. We're almost not even to that first part, guys. That's pretty